Hello friends, welcome back to Rising Mathematics. In this video, we are going to solve this question from linear algebra. Question is, let U be a subspace of a finite dimensional vector space V over field F with dimension of subspace U equals to K and dimension of vector space V equals to N. Prove that if the set BU containing these K vectors is a basis for subspace U and the set BV containing these N vectors is a basis for the vector space V, then the set BV modulo U containing these cosets Vk plus 1 plus U, Vk plus 2 plus U plus and so on plus Vn plus U is a basis for the quotient space V modulo U. Now note that for any vector space V, basis is a set which is linearly independent and which spans the vector space V. So in order to show that the set BV modulo U containing these cosets is a basis for the quotient space V modulo U, we need to show that this set is linearly independent and spans the vector space V modulo U. So we will do this. So firstly we will prove that this set is linearly independent. For this, consider the linear combination ak plus 1 vk plus 1 plus u plus ak plus 2 vk plus 2 plus u plus and so on plus an vn plus u is equal to u, where this u is the zero vector of the vector space V modulo u. Now we have considered the linear combination of vectors from the set B V modulo u equals to the zero vector of this quotient space V modulo u. Now this can be simplified to ak plus 1 vk plus 1 plus u plus ak plus 2 vk plus 2 plus u plus and so on plus an vn plus u is equal to u. Again this can be written as ak plus 1 vk plus 1 plus ak plus 2 vk plus 2 plus and so on plus an vn plus u is equal to 0 bar plus u, where we have added these cosets and here 0 bar is the zero vector of the vector space V. Now as these two cosets are equal, so these vectors must be equal, so we get ak plus 1 vk plus 1 plus ak plus 2 vk plus 2 plus and so on plus an vn is equal to 0 vector. Now note that these vectors vk plus 1 vk plus 2 up to so on vn are the basis vectors bv of the vector space V, so they are linearly independent. And as this representation of 0, this is the representation of 0 using these linearly independent vectors, so these scalars ak plus 1 ak plus 2 up to so on an must be equal to 0. Now as these scalars comes out to be 0 and we have considered using these scalars, this linear combination is equal to the zero vector of the vector space V modulo u. So these vectors, that is these cosets of the vector space V modulo u, must be linearly independent. So this set B V modulo u containing these cosets is a linearly independent subset of a vector space V modulo u. Now secondly we will prove that this set spans the vector space V modulo u. For this, consider some coset V bar plus u in the vector space V modulo u, where this V is some vector from vector space V. Now as V is a vector from vector space V, we can express this V using the basis vector BV as this, where this B1, B2, BK, BK plus 1, Bn are some arbitrary but fixed scalars for this vector space V. Then we can write this V plus U as this, where we have replaced this V using this expression for V. Now we can simplify these two. V plus U is equal to B1 V1 plus U plus B2 V2 plus U plus and so on plus BK VK plus U plus BK plus 1 VK plus 1 plus U plus and so on plus Bn Vn plus U. Now note that these K vectors V1 V2 up to so on Vk are the vectors in the subspace U. So their scalar multiples B1 V1 B2 V2 up to so on Bk Vk are also vectors in subspace U. So this first K cosets get simplified to subspace U. So we get this expression. Now as U is a subspace, so this will be equal to just U. So we get this expression. Now again adding these two cosets, our right hand side comes out to be this. So again this can be simplified to V plus U is equal to Bk plus 1 Vk plus 1 plus U plus and so on plus Bn Vn plus U. Now here we can observe that this coset, which is the vector of the quotient space V modulo U, can be written as scalar multiple scalar can be written in terms of the linear combination of these cosets using these scalars bk plus 1 up to so on bn. So this coset, that is this vector of the quotient space v modulo u, belongs to span of these cosets vk plus 1 plus u up to so on vn plus u. Now as this is any arbitrary vector in the quotient space v modulo u, so we can conclude that this set B v modulo u containing these cosets spans the vector space v modulo u. Now as this set spans the vector space v modulo u, and we have also proved that this is linearly independent, so this set containing these cosets will be a basis of the quotient space v modulo u, and this proves the given result.